Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review of a one-step hair dryer and styler. It doesn't have a branding like a company that it's very clearly from, but on the SKU box it says nice to buy. So maybe just up for a great licensing deal. It looks like this. I purchased it because I needed to get to a certain amount for some free shipping, and it looked believable as something that could be helpful for my 4C hair that does not get straightened or, frankly, combed out very well often. So I like it pulling it right out of the package because it has a cool setting, off, cool, low, and high. So that's exciting because anything that has an additional level of heat when I'm trying to straighten my hair is always good. So I'm gonna turn it on, I'll leave the sound on, and I'm gonna brush through this. So I washed, deep conditioned, washed, conditioned, and rinsed my hair yesterday. I did start this yesterday, but my hair was too wet and it was too much work. And my little sister was like, well, let it air dry for a little while. And I was like, oh, smart. So that's what I've done. So this has been kind of combed out through this same brush yesterday for a little while. And I'm just going to get started right back to show you guys how it works. You can see I have this much of my hair. I don't know if you consider that sizable or not. But that's what we're working with. So I always start with low. So it's like amazing, right? Even doing it now, as pleasantly surprised as I was yesterday, and saying like, yes, be here, do this thing. Okay. So, like I said, this got some pre-work yesterday. So I do want to show you guys a section that hasn't been yet touched. Again, I did do a deep conditioning yesterday, and I can share that with you guys. This was my leave-in, and yesterday I did the Shea Moisture Deep Treatment. I'm supposed to do this. Treatment mask. So I let this sit on for probably about 40 minutes. I went over the 30, which I always do with conditioner. I always go over. And then washed with my Trader Joe's, the Tea Tree shampoo and conditioner, and really conditioned that for like 5 minutes, massaged it into my hair and scalp, rinsed really well, and then used the Shea Moisture. I wasn't sure if I was going to do a braid out or a good brush out, blowout, I suppose. So I stopped at this and did not use any styling products, which I'm so happy I did because I do want to start with a pressed out hair because I'm flying tomorrow and I got a plan. All right, so starting at low, I will tell you guys my hair is still not quite damp. That might be the product that I'm feeling on it. Yeah, a little damp. All right, so starting on low, guys. Yeah, I love this thing. So I feel like it's a super go. It's just a matter of price. Let's do another section. I hope you can see this. I don't have on my glasses and my hair is in my face, so I hope you are getting a good angle, my friends. I'm still on low. We haven't even gone to high yet. We'll do that next. this is exciting. I'm very happy. All right, so up to high. We're on high end. My hair is definitely hot. All right. Ooh, that's hot. I like it. All right, so that's how the hair looks. Again, obviously a lot of work to still get it done, but I think for the product is very helpful. It certainly has straightened, it's dried. It was not as cumbersome as I thought it would be, again, with 4C or any natural hair, any thick hair, any person that's not used to daily detangling or styling or anything like that. So it's a yes for me. Again, here it is. I got this on Amazon, and I don't remember how much it cost, but it's a go. All right, guys, have a great day.